of Home Affairs and Immigration. On behalf of the Honourable Minister, Honourable Pio Tikundundua, I especially welcome my colleague, the Permanent Secretary for the Ministry of iTaukei Affairs, Culture and Heritage, and his team to the Ministry this afternoon. I also welcome our colleagues from the police, the media, and others who are present here this afternoon. Do mulubinaka, do matubinakmay na nagutokari. Ladies and gentlemen, as you have heard, on the 14th of July 2023, the Immigration Act of 2003 was amended by an Act of Parliament to allow a person who is registered in the Vola Ni Kawabula and who is a non-Fiji citizen to enter, reside and work in Fiji without having to obtain a permit under the current Immigration Act of 2003. As you are all aware, the VKB is maintained by the iTaukei Affairs and Fisheries Commission, and this MOU we are about to sign this afternoon will provide the terms and conditions under which the Ministry of iTaukei Affairs and the Ministry of Home Affairs and Immigration will collaborate in approving viewing access only to the Department of Immigration into the VKB system for verification by name for applicants for the exemption due to the VKB certification authenticity. Colleagues, once names are certified, applicants will be allowed to enter, reside and work in Fiji without needing a permit. This MOU will come into effect as soon as the signing is completed by both ministries, and we want to assure you that we will be working very closely together as government departments to ensure government's intent is fully realized and that the areas of cooperation that are articulated in the MOU are carried out in good faith. I also take this opportunity to thank the Director of Immigration, the Office of the Solicitor General, the Ministry of iTaukei Affairs and their teams for their perseverance and dedication shown in getting us to this point. I wish to assure you all that we stand ready to operationalize this MOU in the service of our fellow citizens. Thank you, Danyabad and Vinaka Wakaleu.
Today marks a significant milestone in our nation's journey towards inclusivity, unity, and shared sense of belonging. It is with great pleasure that I stand before you to commemorate the signing of the Memorandum of Understanding between the Ministry of Home Affairs and the Ministry of iTaukei Affairs, a step that reaffirms our commitment to embracing our Fijian diaspora. The amendment to the Immigration Act we are about to celebrate today is not just a change in policy. It is a reflection of our evolving understanding of what it means to be a Fijian. It underscores the belief that our identity as Fijians is not solely defined by our place of birth, but by our shared connection to this beautiful island, our culture and our people. The core of this amendment, as you've heard from the Permanent Secretary for Home Affairs, is the recognition that Fijians who have chosen to become citizens of other countries while embracing new horizons have never truly severed their ties with their homeland. They carry with them the spirit of Fiji, its traditions, and the love for their ancestral land. They are part of our global family, and today we extend a heartful welcome to them back home. The amendment allows Fijians who are citizens of other countries and are registered in the VKB or Vola Ni Kawabula to return to Fiji without the burden of visa or permits. This signifies a commitment to fostering closer ties with our diaspora and facilitating their return to the land of their roots. I would like to express our gratitude to the Ministry of Home Affairs, Permanent Secretary for Home Affairs and the Director for Immigration for their dedication to making this amendment a reality. The Department of Immigration under the Ministry of Home Affairs will play a pivotal role in ensuring a smooth and efficient process for our returning Fijians, working hand in hand with the iTaukei Lands and Fisheries Commission. As the Permanent Secretary for iTaukei Affairs, I want to emphasize that this amendment aligns perfectly with our vision of inclusivity and unity among all Fijians, regardless of where they reside. It reaffirms our commitment to upholding the principles of the VKB and recognizing the importance of our shared cultural heritage. In conclusion, I extend a warm invitation to all our Fijian diaspora who have been registered in the VKB to consider Fiji not only as a destination, but a home where your presence and their presence enriches our nation. Their stories, experiences, and contributions are valued, and we look forward to welcoming them back home with open arms. Today's MOU signing is a testament to our belief in unity, in diversity, and our dedication to ensuring that every Fijian, no matter where they are in the world, feels a deep connection to their homeland. Together, let us continue to build a stronger, more inclusive Fiji. And may this amendment bring our global Fijian family even closer to the heart of our beloved nation.